Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to fix WhatsApp music search no results found problem and WhatsApp music search not showing problem. See, this is the problem, how to fix it. Okay, let's get start. First tap on the WhatsApp app and now click on the I button and scroll down. Now tap on the storage and clear cache, clear data, delete the data. Okay, go back. Now click on the force stops. Okay, and now tap on the permission option and allow all permission, call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, music and audio, nearby devices, notifications, phone, photos and videos, SMS. Okay, allow all permission, go back and now check your internet or Wi-Fi connection. My Wi-Fi already connected. And now restart your phone and reopen it again your phone and go to Play Store and search WhatsApp app and check update your WhatsApp. My WhatsApp app already updated and I hope your problem has been solved successful. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.